Have you ever noticed that the world seems to open its doors a little wider for the beautiful people? Promotions, free drinks, better customer service, all because of how someone looks. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and frustrating truths about how society is biased towards attractive people and how you can level up to create your own version of a high quality life. Trust me, this isn't just about looks, it's about strategy. Let's get into it. Hey, beautiful people, it's Tiffany Nicole, and today we're having a real talk about beauty, sociology, and human nature. This isn't about blaming or complaining, it's about understanding the system and using it to our advantage. I'm going to show you how beauty influences perception, why it's wired into our biology, and how you can leverage this knowledge to create the life you deserve. Ready to glow and grow? Let's go. The science of beauty bias. Let's start with the facts. Science tells us that humans are wired to associate beauty with goodness. It's called the halo effect. If someone is attractive, we're more likely to think they're smarter, kinder, and more capable, even if we just met them. This can be seen in our daily interactions. For example, the hiring process, customer service, and even criminal sentencing. This isn't just in our heads. It's been studied and proven. Sociologists says it's because our brain likes shortcuts. Beauty equals good. But here's the kicker, it's not always true. The role of human nature and desire. Why are we so obsessed with beauty? Well, it's simple, survival. For centuries, beauty has been tied to health, fertility, and social status. It's primal. But in today's world, this natural desire has turned into a multi-billion-dollar industry. Think about it. Social media, skincare, makeup, it's all about chasing an ideal. And honestly, it's exhausting. But understanding this gives you power. Instead of being a victim to these standards, you can use them to your advantage. Beauty as a manipulation tactic. Beauty isn't just the aesthetic, it's a tool. Attractive people know how to use their looks to influence others, whether it's to close a deal, get out of trouble, or gain trust. But manipulation doesn't have to be a bad thing. It's about perception, how you carry yourself, how you speak, and even how you dress. All of this shapes how people see you. Think of your favorite celebrities. They don't just wake up flawless. They invest in themselves. Styling, grooming, confidence. It's all calculated. How to level up and create a better life. So what can you do to level up? Let's talk glow up tips that go beyond surface level beauty. Focus on your health. Clear skin, shiny hair, and glowing energy starts with nutrition, hydration, and exercise. Develop your style. Your wardrobe is your armor. Invest in timeless, flattering pieces that make you feel like the main character. Work on your confidence. Beauty without confidence is just a shell. Walk into every room like you own it. Polish your communication skills. Being articulate and charming can elevate your perceived attractiveness instantly. Invest in yourself. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Whether it's a skincare routine or learning a new skill, keep leveling up. The bigger picture. Remember, Beauty isn't just skin deep. True attractiveness comes from your energy, your kindness, and the way you make others feel. When you focus on becoming the best version of you, everything else falls in place. The world might be biased, but you hold the power to shape your reality. Use what you got and what you can develop to create the life you deserve. Alright, loves, it's a wrap. Now you know about society's obsession with beauty and how you can turn it into your superpower. Remember, leveling up is about you and what makes you feel amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more glow-up tips and life-changing advice. And until next time, keep shining, and I'll see you in the next one.